Let's simplify this. With this, 2 divide the square root of 36 is 6. 2 here is 1 and 2 here is 3. Our answer is 1 over 3. Next, let's simplify 1 over the square root of 8. With this, the square root of 8 is the same thing as writing 8. 2 into 8 is 4. And 2 into 4 is 2. And 2 into 2 is 1. When we get 1, we stop. Next, we pair. This 2 is paired. 2 is free. This 2 is not paired, and we're going to put it in root form. Next, I'm going to simplify 1 over 2 root 2. With this, I can now simplify. Step 1, I will rewrite the given question. Step 2, I will multiply this radical with the numerator and also with the denominator. Next, 1 multiply 2 root 2 will give you 2 root 2. Next, at the denominator, 2 times 2 will give you 4. And root 2 times root 2 will give you 2. Next, this 2 will cancel this 2. And our answer becomes root 2 divided by 4. We have succeeded to eliminate this surd at the denominator, and this becomes our answer. For the complete video course on this subject, click the link in the description or in the pinned comment section. Next, let's simplify this. This can be broken down further. We're going to have that the square root of 12 is, we write 12 and start with 2. 2 into 12 is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 cannot go, but 3 into 3 is 1. Next, we pair. This 2 is paired. We're going to have 2. This 3 has no pair. We're going to put it in root form. Next, I'll be solving for 3 divided by 2 root 3. Next, to solve this, step number 1, I'm going to have 3 divide 2 root 3. The next step is I will take this denominator of radical to multiply the numerator and also multiply the denominator. 3 times 2 will give you 6, and here we have root 3. At the denominator, 2 times 2 is 4, and root 3 times root 3 is 3. Next, 3 here is 1, and 3 here is 2. Here, we're going to have 2 root 3 divided by 4. Next, 2 here is 1, and 2 here is 2. And now we have root 3 remaining at the numerator, and 2 remains at the denominator. Now we have succeeded to eliminate the radical at the denominator, and this becomes our answer. A radical at the numerator is not a problem, but at the denominator it becomes an unstable surd. Hence, we stabilize it by rationalization. You have learned how to rationalize or simplify monomial surds, having only one term at the denominator. When we have 2 or more terms at the denominator, it is called conjugate surd or complementary surd. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button. Also, subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next video.